Hello children. So today our topic under chapter number 12, the solar system, is satellites. Okay. So you know that the natural satellite of our earth is moon. Okay. Natural satellite is moon. So the question come in mind, what is satellite actually? So satellites are also the objects. These are also the objects which revolve around planets. Okay, which revolve around planets. We know that moon is our natural satellite. So what is moon actually? Moon is an object which revolves around a planet, that is our earth. Okay, suppose this is our earth. Okay, then in a particular orbit this moon revolves around it. Okay, so this is an object which is revolving around our earth. So what is earth actually? It is a planet. So the objects which revolve around any planet is known as satellites. Okay, this moon is the natural satellite, and remember students, the satellites do not have light. They do not have light. They do not have own light. Okay, इनकी खुद की light नहीं होती है. How they do shine? They shines because of the light of the sun. Okay, whatever light is reflected by the sun, by that shine only. By that light only they shine. Next, it also does not have any atmosphere. The satellites do not have atmosphere. Okay, the place where these satellites are revolving around the earth, at that place there is no atmosphere. All the planets, there are 8 planets, so all the planets have their own natural satellite except Mercury and Venus. Okay, you know that there are 8 planets. First one is Mercury, second is Venus, third Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so all the planets are having their natural satellite, that is the moon, except Mercury and Venus. Okay, except Mercury and Venus, all the other planets have their natural satellite, that is the moon. Now satellites are of 2 types. One is natural satellite and the another one is artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are those satellites which are sent on the outside the planets by the men. Okay, so that is known as artificial satellites, which are made by the human beings and then they had sent into the space. Okay, why they sent into the space? To find out what is the what is there in the outer surrounding of a planet, or even for the communication, satellites are sent into the space so that they are revolving around in the space around the planet, and they can easily help in the communication. Fine, so there are 2 types of satellites. Now our next topic is stars. So we see millions of stars in the sky. Okay, they are the countless stars. Okay, in the sky there are countless stars in the sky, and we can only see the sky in the night. Why we cannot see them during the day? Because the light which they reflect, that is lesser than the light of the sun. So because of the light of the sun, their light dims. Okay, सन की ब्राइट लाइट के अंदर हमें इनकी लाइट दिखाई नहीं देती. Their lights are invisible to us and they appears to be twinkle at night. Otherwise they are present in our sky during the daytime also, but due to the bright light of the sun, their lights dimmed. Okay, and and one more thing is that what are stars are. When I had started the chapter, I already told you that sun is also a huge ball of hot burning gases, and it is also a star. So stars are actually the huge ball of gases. These are also the huge ball of gases, and as they are the huge balls of gases, so they have their own heat and light. They have their own heat and light. Okay, they have their own heat and light. And why they appear so tiny? Because they are very far from us. Okay, they appears tiny because they are very far away from us. Okay, because of the distance between the earth and these stars, as they are very far away from us, that's why they appears very tiny. And why sun is a bigger than these stars? Because the sun is a star which is nearest to the earth. That's why we call sun as the nearest star to the earth, and that's why that is visible, clearly visible, whereas these stars appears tiny. Okay, now students, one more thing is that as they are very far away from us and they also have their own heat and light, so they appears as they are twinkling. Otherwise it is means basically they were means spherical in shape, or we can say as they are huge ball of gases, so they are circular in shape, but due to their own heat and light, they also sparkle. They are tiny in nature, tiny in shape as they appear to us, so they appear like they are twinkling in the sky. Okay, next, a group of stars. What we call the group of stars? There are several groups of stars you might have noticed in the sky. So the group of stars, when they are forming a particular pattern in the sky, okay, a group of stars forming a pattern in sky, what we call it? The group of stars, they are known as constellation. That is known as constellation. Okay, these constellations are actually a particular pattern of a group of stars. Okay, so many stars form a group and they form a pattern in the sky, that is known as constellation. Some of the constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, then Orion, etc. Okay, there are so many constellations, so many patterns in the sky, that is known as constellations. So students, this is all about the stars and the satellites. Now we will learn about the earth in our next class. Okay, so that's all for today.